Let's swatch out my new Girl Boss annotapes. Hi everyone, this is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I welcome you and I hope you'll stick around. If you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love Narrative Hues ink overlay tapes. And I just made a new purchase. I've actually had these a couple of weeks. I haven't opened them yet. But I was just about to film a plan with me in my dashboard planner and I realized I actually need some of these colors. So I thought we'd open these up on camera and get them swatched out and I can show y'all how I do this. So let's get started. So I want to go ahead and get these out of the package. It's going to be kind of noisy. I can mute the sound. And what I have purchased most recently is the Down to Earth collection, Buttercup Meadow, Fireside, Pastel Plum, and a 4-pack, which is Bay Represent. So normally what I do is I'll open these up. I can show y'all what I've got here. I swatch them out in a Happy Planner notebook and I number them and I put the number inside the core and then I'll say which collection it is and when I purchased it. So that's kind of what I plan on doing today because I believe I'm wanting to use this Buttercup color in my dashboard spread. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up and we'll try to get through this as quick as I can. I probably won't do everything in complete detail on camera, but at least I can walk y'all through the process of what I'm doing and how I go about getting these in my notebook. So let's start with Buttercup Meadow. I'm going to go ahead and open all of these. Actually, I was going to say that I was going to open these off camera, but I want to keep this little sticker because I will probably do some of this more detailed work off camera and I don't want to forget what's what. So if I can get, ooh, that one didn't come off so well. So let me set these aside. And I'm going to make a note up here that this is the Buttercup Meadow collection. My writing is very shaky this morning from my coffee. But this is just a swatch book. It's not anything that anybody sees. And I'll put here that I purchased it. What month is this? This is October. So I'll just say October 24. Whew, that's close to the edge. Okay, and then there are 3 in the collection. According to my swatch book, my next number is 43. So I'll just come in here. I don't know if y'all can see this on camera, but I'm putting a 43 in the inner core. And then I'll put 44 on this one. And the reason I chose to do these first is because I think I'm going to be using this one in my spread. So this one would be number, wait, I got 43, 44. So this is 45. So let's put these down. I'll note over here 43, 44, and 45. And then when I'm ready to do a spread, what I do is I will pull out my little notebook and I'll flip through it. And I'll look for overlays that match what I'm doing. So there's 43. Here's 44. And here's 45. And that's pretty much what I do. That's pretty much my process. So let's go ahead and open some of these up because I thought y'all might want to see these colors. And I may, you know, edit this in such a way that you're not having to see me open every single package, but you will see them on the page. Okay, so I have these all opened up now. So let's get started. We've already done Buttercup Meadow. This collection is Fireside. So I'm going to put my numbers in here. And this is going to be 46, 47, and 48. This is nothing fancy, just for my reference. Okay, yeah, this one's 46. Uh-oh, here's 47. And here's 48. You can write on these with like a microperm pen. So I don't normally do that, but I know that it is a possibility. Okay, this collection is called Down to Earth. So let's see how these look. And, oh, oops, I forgot to number them. Okay, so here's this one. This is pretty. It kind of looks plumish to me. I like to put these on the paper because, of course, they look different on the roll than they do on paper. And I want to know what they're going to look like in my planner. Okay, so there's that one. And I think I am going to flip this page over for the other two. I do want to separate these out a little bit. I could probably get another one down here, another 3 count. I'll try. Okay, so that means we're going to be doing Pastel Plum. She still has quite a few on her website. I'm not sure if she's ever going to produce any new ones, so I like to check periodically to see if she's got anything on sale so that I can add to my collection. Oops, I keep closing up my pen, forgetting what I'm doing. Okay, this looks, this collection is Pastel Plum, but to me, this kind of looks like a gray color. That one, I got Papermate Flare on it, but it just rubbed right off, so that's okay. Those are pretty. All right, and we have one last collection. I'm going to put it on the back because it is this Bay Represent, and it has 4 tapes. My writing is messier and messier the older I get. Okay, so these are going to be, where did we leave off? We left off with 54. So we need 55 and 58. All right, so let's have a look at these. This is like a, kind of like a cobalt. And this one has a little more of a bluish tint, bluish purple. All right, very good. So let's get my little swatch book out here. Again, this is nothing fancy. I've been using these so much in my planner spreads. I thought y'all might be interested to see how I keep up with what I've got. So I'll just put this back on the disc. This is just a little notebook I picked up on clearance at Hobby Lobby forever ago. So this is where I first started my collection. You can see I was a little neater here. But I've got darker tones. And then these are more of a bluish gray. And then I've got these Oops samples. I've got 3 sets of those. And what I have found is that I don't really reach for those because if you can tell, They're more narrow, they're not as wide, and they have more of a papery finish. And because I like to use these to cover up dates, they're not really big enough for me. So I don't find myself pulling for those. So I do prefer the full-size strip. And you can see I've got a few brights here. So I needed the addition of these extra colors. And I think I'm going to be pulling one of these today. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is just a little quick video again to show y'all how I'm swatching out my Narrative Hues ink overlay tapes. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by clicking on the like button. Leave me a comment down below. Are you using the Narrative Hues tapes? Is this something new to you? If you like the video, leave me a comment and let me know if you'd be interested in seeing future videos when I pick up more collections. Otherwise, y'all have a great day. When you do hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.